Every individual possesses the skill of thinking critically. It is only the degree and motivation required. So, who introduced this? Macmillan. Thoughts are example of critical thinking. So, what is critical thinking? Problem solving, evaluating, reasoning, analyzing, and decision making. So, when motivated with justice, values, and integrity, critical thinking can be great service to humanity. So any problem is given, then we have to think on it. Some people, what they will do, they will take too much tension. If madam will tell to dance, then they will think, I have not danced, how I am going to dance, what I will do, what everybody will think. No. When you get the topic, immediately you start working on it. You have to collect the information about it. Instead of thinking, how will I dance, you think, what I will dance, I will see. I will make a research. I'll see mobile, internet, something I'll do. Oh, somebody danced. We should go to them and ask them how you danced in the last intake. What you did, what is your ideas. So collect all the information. Then process. Okay. Then questioning, analyzing, interpreting, evaluating, and making judgment about what is read, heard, said, or written. So steps in critical thinking. Identify the problems. I will tell. I'll give a project. Then you have to take that project. You have to write the name. Then obtain information. You have to collect information on that. Make prediction about the future. You should think it may be like this or that. Make decision by choosing among alternatives. Implement the decision, evaluate, perform, and then learn. This is called critical thinking. Thank you.
Critical thinking means thinking in a just a different way, positive way. The thinking should be positive. Is it clear for you? Yes. Second concept whose it is? Number बोला है ना आपको? Second one it is. Scientific temper. Scientific temper means value of life. Scientific attitude can be defined as open-mindedness, a desire for accurate knowledge, confidence in procedure for seeking knowledge, and the expectation that the solution of the problem will come through the use of verified knowledge. The scientific temper means value of life. जब साइंस की कदर आपकी जिंदगी में हो तो आप अंधविश्वास नहीं करना चाहिए. एक अंधविश्वास ऐसा होता है कि अभी रिसेंटली एक औरत को एक बेबी बॉय बॉर्न होता है, तब सभी ब्लेम उस वुमेन को करते हैं. तो इट शुड बी नॉट टू बी ब्लेम टू वुमेन. वी एजुकेटेड आर द सेकेंड. अभी बच्चों के पेट में दर्द हुआ तो क्या समझते हैं कि इसे डिहाइड्रेशन से हुआ है, लेकिन इसको नजर हुई ऐसा समझते हैं. तो इसके लिए नजर उतारना एक अंधविश्वास है. तो हम उसको डिहाइड्रेशन इन द साइंस वी आर साइंटिफिक टेम्पर. वी शुड बी पॉजिटिव एंड बी एजुकेट. I shall be the duty of every citizen of India to develop the scientific temper, humanism, and the spirit of inquiry to and reform. Yes. Thank you. What she said that now the world is developing, you should not believe in a blind faith. Think in a scientific manner. This is also one kind of skills which should be developed in the students. Whenever you are teaching, the students should think in a scientific way. Have you understood? Next.
In this world, every problem has its own solution. Problem solving is the act of defining a problem, determining the cause of the problem, identifying, prioritizing and selecting alternatives for a solution, and implementing a solution strategies that can help determine the cause of problem and identify the best solution available. For example, suppose you are facing in your class that some of the students showing their higher activities. In this time, we have to give a new task to that student. Give some extra brainstorming work like that puzzles, riddles, project work, etc. In this way, we can handle these students very easily. Thank you.
Can you explain in your own words? Just what is the skill problem first? See,
Sir said, last you said, na? That's correct. Huh? One student is lacking behind. Okay. We have to try to solve that problem. That also it is one of the skill. If he is not able to read, begin from the first. Begin from ABC. Then only your problem will be solved. That is also one type of skill. It means that. Yeah, if he is facing in the mother language, this translation we can do some translation and all. And by the way, we also learn some new language. Yeah. Okay. This problem solving, this attitude should be developed among the teachers and students. Next.
Fourth one is creativity. And ಕನ್ನಡ ಹೇಳ್ತೇನೆ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟಿವಿಟಿ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಏನಪ್ಪಾ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸೃಜನಾತ್ಮಕತೆ. ಮಕ್ಕಳಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ನಮ್ಮ ಪ್ರೈಮರಿ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ಟೀಚರ್ ಆಗಿ ಮಕ್ಕಳಲ್ಲಿ ಹೊಸದನ್ನ ಹುಟ್ಟು ಹಾಕೋದನ್ನು ನಾವು ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟಿವಿಟಿ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ದಿನನಿತ್ಯ ನಾವು ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ವಿಷಯದಾಗ ಯಾವುದೋ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡೋದಾದ್ರೂ ಸಹಿತ ದಿನನಿತ್ಯ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ನಾವು ಹೊಸದನ್ನ ದಿನನಿತ್ಯ ಹೇಳುವಂಗ ನಾವು ಬೇರೆ ರೀತಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದೀವಿ, ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಉಪನ್ಯಾಸ ಪದ್ಧತಿನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದೀವಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ಏನಪ್ಪ ವಿಶೇಷ ಅನ್ಸಂಗಿಲ್ಲ ನಮಗೆ. ಹೊಸದ ಚಟುವಟಿಕೆ ಮುಖಾಂತರ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಪ್ರಯೋಗಗಳ ಮುಖಾಂತರ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು. ಮತ್ತು ಅದರ್ವೈಸ್ ಈಗ ನಾವು 5 ದಿನ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಎಂ ಟಿ ಟ್ರೈನಿಂಗ್ ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರಲ್ರಿ, ಈಗ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಹೊಸದನ್ನ ಕಲಿಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ 5 ದಿನ ಬಂದೀವಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ, 7 ದಿನ ನಾವು 8 ದಿನ ಬಂದೀವ್ರಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ, 8 ಡೇಸ್ ನಾವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಬಂದೀವ್ರಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. ಇದನ್ನ ನಾವು ಏನಪ್ಪ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟಿವಿಟಿ ಹೊಸದಾದ ಸ್ಕಿಲ್ ಕಲಿಯಾಕ ನಾವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದೀವಿ. ಇದೇ ಸ್ಕಿಲ್ ನಾವು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ನಾಗ ಹೋಗಿ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಮಕ್ಕಳಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಪ್ಪ ಕಲಿಕೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಆಸಕ್ತಿಯನ್ನು ಮೂಡಿಸೋದ ಸ್ಕಿಲ್ ಯಾವಪ್ಪ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟಿವಿಟಿ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.
Best example of creativity. We did a bottle game. Remember? Yes. We were just replacing the bottle. Then Shafiq sir just guided me. Do it something creative. Then what I did? Same bottle. Just we are just opening the bottle and just the game continues. That is creativity. Same fact, but in a different manner. Game was same, but little bit changes. Means anything we are, our concept should be same, subject matter should be same, but method should be different. That is called as creativity.
next speaker.
Communication is the main and very important thing which we have to implement in the students or in the teachers. Communication links two people, one the initiator and the receiver. Two persons are very important in communication. So communication, how it should be? It is a coding and decoding of the knowledge, feelings, anything, other things or any subject, concept, ideas. It is a communication. Means coding and decoding and conveying any subject to others is the communication. How should be the communication? In nowadays, students are taking the knowledge, are interacting with each other in a way of communication. Today, our friends conducted one activity that enacting without language. How we are not able to communicate correctly. They are doing action. We are telling the world, but we are finding little bit difficulty because we are not having the media. Here media is action. In communication, coding and decoding means language is important. As a teachers, we are giving vocabulary and language skills to students to communicate easily. How to communicate? The communication should be complete, clear, and concise, brief. It should be not lengthy one. The receiver should not feel bored. It should be in brief and it should be complete, clear. How when we give the instructions to students, they should catch it correctly. That is the communication skill which we have to implement in the students in nowadays.
Very well explained. I don't think so. I should tell again.
Okay, communication means the give and take of ideas. This skill should be developed. Okay, next, sixth one.
Collaboration is also the one of his skill, very important skill. Collaboration means nothing but cooperation. In Kannada, ಸಹಯೋಗ ಹೊಂದಾಣಿಕೆ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ನಮಗೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರುವಂತಹ ಕೆಲಸವನ್ನ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಆಗಿ ವರ್ಕಿಂಗ್ ಟುಗೆದರ್ ಟು ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಅ ಟಾಸ್ಕ್ ಆರ್ ಅಚೀವ್ ಅ ಗೋಲ್. Collaboration is similar to the cooperation. In collaboration, main following things are very important for effective work. Collaboration is nothing but group work. In group work, main things are very necessary. Those are communication. In group, all of discuss about given work. Only one intelligent student participate in that work. That is not a collaboration. And listening is also very important. All team members first listen which idea here working. That when they are understand, then work becomes reach the goal. Then critical thinking is also come here, and leadership is also very important. Leader is the main role, and he is involving all other team members, then easily reach the goal. And contribution of all team members that gives the correct result of that project or group work. And commitment is also important. In a group, one said this is correct, other said this is correct. If this type of discussion is going on, we do not get the correct result. So collaboration has the all skills inside it. So every student, if we involve that collaboration, then we reach the goal and we get the correct result. Thank you.
Who can answer it in one line? What is collaboration? Mutual understanding. Mutual understanding. One task is given. It is a group work. Find this task. One will search the new words. One will do drawing. One will bring some things. That is collaboration. Okay, mutual understanding. There is, she said, leadership is necessary. Yes, exactly right. One will be leader, he will be allotting the work to others, and there will be a co-relation, communication and cooperation. That is collaboration, mutual understanding. This is one teamwork. It is teamwork. Okay, next one, seventh one. Seventh.
My topic is digital literacy. So as you know, we have studied this concept when we were studying B.Ed called education technology. Okay. So digital literacy is related to education technology. It means we use some technology strategies in our teaching and learning process. So as you know, we know how to operate the computers, mobiles, and today's children also they have a knowledge about operating computers and mobiles. So here as a teachers we should make them aware. We create a awareness that how to use a computer safely with the using technology. So here we use different websites, apps, softwares for our teaching. If you want teaching materials, what we do, we use different websites, we use different softwares, apps, and collect the information and present in front of students. And also we do PPTs, MS Excels. Okay, so these are things. So this digital literacy, what it makes easy to understand, and it easy to reach the concept to the students. So students get a fun, and they also get innovative ideas through this digital literacy. So we should follow this digital literacy in our teaching and learning process. That's it.
Very well explained. He has done some PPT, but because that projector is not working, sorry sir for that. You shared that whatever you have done. See, he is a digital literacy person. He knows all the
skills, lacks, and all of how to handle this. We have to be updated to only writing, listening, reading, writing, speaking is not necessary. According to the world of technology, we should be digitally well and good in our knowledge to handle all this mobiles and all. Okay. Yes, ICT.
Information communication technology.
Okay, information communication technology. Okay. Does it matter? Have you understood what is now digital literacy? Next.
Another skill is social responsibility. Students show empathy and feel obliged to consider the well-being of our community and respect others and the area around them. For this, we can conduct moral education and care for others, respect for others, leadership quality, and we should not harm the public property, internal discipline, etc.
Said something. I'm happy that you said something. She's not still. See, social responsibility. Children should be aware of the social, whatever the things are there present around us. Okay, they are meant for us. For example, temples and all. They should not scrabble on that. They should be aware of that. Huh? Yeah, empathy, sympathy is also important. Thank you, sir. See, we are living in a society, we should know the importance of the things, whatever the things are there. If a government tap is just, it is on, then what is the responsibility of a student or a teacher or a being as a Indian citizen? What is your responsibility? To stop that, we have to off that tap. Otherwise, if some other problem is there, find the solution for it and try to solve it. Because it belongs to the things around us, belongs to us. Okay. Yeah. Make use of public. Yeah. That will be social responsibility also. This should be inculcated the past.
हेलो सारे लैंग्वेजेस आना एक टीचर को जरूरी है, इसलिए कि मैं जब सेकेंड ईयर में था मैं स्टूडेंट्स को देखा हूँ ये कन्नड़ा मीडियम में टीचर्स कुछ बोलते थे तो मुझे समझ में नहीं आता, लेकिन अब मैं टीचर ऐसा हूँ कि मैं जहाँ खड़ा रहता हूँ उर्दू में भी बोल सकता हूँ, कन्नड़, इंग्लिश, मराठी, हिंदी, कौन से भी लैंग्वेज। इस वजह से इसलिए मैं चुप के बैठा था कि आपको याद है कि नहीं, आपकी याददाश्त अभी ताज़े है जैसे आप ताज़े हैं। मतलब ये है कि सर सब में फर्स्ट लैंग्वेज में जो भी बच्चा स्टडी करता है स्कूल में, तो सब में फर्स्ट जो दिक्कत आने वाली है वो सेकंड लैंग्वेज की। फर्स्ट लैंग्वेज में अगर उर्दू मीडियम का बच्चा पढ़ रहा है तो सेकंड लैंग्वेज अगर उसकी कन्नड़ा है तो कन्नड़ा में अगर आप नीर कहेंगे तो बच्चा नहीं समझेगा। मल्टीलिंगुअल मतलब और ज़्यादा उसको लैंग्वेजेस आते हैं तो आप बता सकते हैं कि पानी को जो नीर जो कन्नड़ में हम बोल रहे हैं उसे उर्दू में पानी कहते हैं, या तो मराठी में थोड़ा चेंज करके पानी, वाटर, ये सब हम बता सकते हैं। अगर मल्टीलिंगुअल एक टीचर को सारी लैंग्वेजेस नहीं आएंगी तो वो बच्चे को सही ढंग से उसकी लैंग्वेज में बता नहीं सकेगा। इसलिए वजह यह है कि हमारे स्कूल को आने वाला बच्चा सिर्फ एक ही कम्युनिटी का नहीं होता है, और कन्नड़ा मीडियम में उर्दू का भी बच्चा रहेगा और दूसरे समाज से भी आया होगा, और समाज के अंदर जो है बोलियाँ बहुत होती हैं। इसे हम इलाकाई जुबान कहते हैं। यानी अब हम हारूगिरी की लैंग्वेज कन्नड़ा देखेंगे तो थोड़ा डिफरेंस रहेगा, बेंगलुरु के देखेंगे तो अलग रहेगा। उगार और कुर्ची ऐसा गाँव के हिसाब से जो है लैंग्वेजेस बदलते रहते हैं थोड़ी बहुत। तो वहाँ के लोग जो है वो जुबान नहीं बोल सकते, तो बहुत सारी लैंग्वेजेस अगर आएंगे तो बच्चों को हम वो जिस लैंग्वेज में समझ सकता है उस लैंग्वेज में उतर कर हम समझा सकते हैं। अब उर्दू सेकेंड ईयर में जब था तो वहाँ पर हमारे प्रोफेसर से बोलते थे लंब कोण त्रिकोण। मुझे लंब कोण त्रिकोण समझेगा ही मेरे को लंब मतलब लंबा समझने वाला, त्रिकोण मतलब त्रिकोण समझने वाला। अगर अंग्रेजी में परफेक्ट है तो फिर वो बोलेगा कुछ तो भी। कन्नड़ में लंब त्रिकोण त्रिकोण हमें समझ में नहीं आता था। फिर मैंने उसके पीछे दौड़ना शुरू किया, तब जाकर मुझे कन्नड़ा समझ में आया। तब जाकर मैं 10th के बच्चे भी अगर साइंस की मेरे पास आकर बैठेंगे ना तो मैं इजीली साइंस सब्जेक्ट उनको पढ़ा सकता हूँ कि किसको क्या कहते हैं, घनत्व, डेंसिटी, ये सब हम चीज़ें आसानी से बता सकते हैं। ज़्यादा कुछ मेरे पास बताने के लिए नहीं है। बहरहाल एक टीचर को जो है बहुत सारी लैंग्वेज आनी चाहिए, इस वजह से कि वो हमारा जो असल मकसद है कि बच्चे को जो है सही तालीम देना है। आकर सिर्फ लेक्चर देके जाना नहीं, बच्चे को समझना इंपॉर्टेंट है। और NCERT की जितनी भी बुक्स हैं उसमें सिर्फ स्टडी जो है वो सिर्फ स्कूली लेवल पर नहीं है, उसकी डेली अपडेट्स के अंदर भी यूज़ होना चाहिए। तो उसको नॉलेज देना इंपॉर्टेंट है, ना कि सिर्फ रटाना इंपॉर्टेंट है। इसीलिए हर एक टीचर को जो ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा लैंग्वेज आना चाहिए।
तो मैंने सही व्यक्ति को चुन लिया था।
थैंक यू मैम।
Thank you so much, sir. Have you understood what is multilingualism? Yes. Yes. Yes, yes. Yeah, different. We should know more than 2 languages. Integrated approach. Yeah. Yes, sir. See, what are these all now we are studying? They are 21st century skills. They are not only for the sake of teachers, they are also applicable for the students. This quality, this all quality, we have to develop amongst the students. Now one task is that 2 minutes task will be. Memorize it with joy. With each one task, this nine things are there. You can take the first only word like what? C, yes, D, 4 is another. Yes is 1, C is 1, yes are 2, yes 1, 2, okay, yes 2, and M 1. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 only you can, 9 must be there. Now, how you will recall this? You can't ahead, come. You can't ahead. You think one idea, how can you recall this? Using shortcut. With job. With job means how you will tell violet, indigo, blue. This, you give one shortcut for this. Anything, you can see 4 are there, yes, 2 are there, PM is there. Your idea, you tell how we can remember this by using a shortcut. Just give stress to your memory. You can create a sentence also. In that sentence is all children. You write it. You show it to them. You write it. So that these all she will tell you, she will give you a clue. Let us understand. PM ने 4 चॉकलेट 2 स्वीट स्टूडेंट्स को दिया। 4 चॉकलेट 2 स्वीट स्टूडेंट्स को दिया। हाँ, अभी पी का मतलब क्या है? PM ने 4 चॉकलेट
C means chocolate. S means sweets. PM ने 4 chocolate, 2 sweets दिया. P means problem solving. Shortcut I know. Problem solving, multilingualism.
PM. M means multilingualism.
Yes.
4 chocolate. कौन से chocolate?
Creativity, communication, collaboration.
Political thinking. Okay.
4 sweets. Social responsibilities, scientific temper.
Okay. Scientific thinking. Yeah.
दिया. Digital literacy.
Very good. Clap for us. Very nice.
Critical scientific problem communication collaborate with the digital social multi-language. Critical means critical thinking. Critical scientific problem created in communication collaborate with the digital social multi-language.
It should be in some different manner, but the concept should be clear. She said, PM ने 4 chocolate, 2 sweet दिया. P means problem solving. M means multilingualism. 4 chocolate. Creativity, communication, collaboration, critical thinking. Then those sweets, कौन से 2 sweets है? Scientific temper, social responsibility. D means digital literacy. Very nice. Perfect one. I like it. Very good. Clap for us. हम आपको याद रखेंगे. PM ने 4 chocolate, 2 sweet दिया. Very nice. She made it. Okay. This is all about today. Close the right section here. Anything you want to discuss, you can discuss for 5 minutes. Otherwise, we prepare for the. You can go for a 5 minutes break, then come back and prepare for the validity function. The validity function. No, 4:30 until 4:30 we are not going to do. You can go for short. First day when I saw I was very happy. I'm glad with this. Okay. Thank you. Take a short break. Let us come back soon.